be seeing in this beautiful dream. Procrastination? Not at all. I like to call them my future's rehearsal. Do you see what I see, Vic? You better feel me, cause I just might be the next MC or Eminem's heir. Get the best lady, Slim Shady and Bear. See what I did there? To clever even with my head's in the air. Yeah, take a look inside my mind, you'll find a light so bright it'll make your eyes blind. I feel like a mime that's always wanting to rhyme. Now I'm screaming at the world, it's my time to shine. The world is mine, fully for the taking, and in no time they'll make me king. Too exciting, I feel like waking, so I close my eyes and go back to daydreaming. They don't understand impossible is nothing, so if you can dream, let me hear you sing.
Everywhere I go, it'll never ever be the same.
Nah, never ever be the same.
My imagination will go crazy and insane. Uh-oh, to a place where everything's so perfect, nothing could ever go wrong. And I really hope to find that place one day.
One day.
It's 'cause